In today's episode of Cooking with Someone, while we're here enjoying the beauty of nature, listening to the birds, though there's none, breathing in the fresh air from the plant's byproduct, we will show you how to cook one of the most favorite Filipino dish. Well, not most, but here it is, the Valenciana. In a small ginormous pan, saute the onion. Wiggle it around so it does not burn. Then garlic into the pan. Next, put in the margarine. Mix them all together. Now, the chicken meat. This helps the chicken absorb the flavor of the onion, garlic, and margarine. Now, tomato sauce. Mix it well to balance the flavor and the texture. Now, coconut milk in. This gives a creamy taste to your Valenciana. Mix to balance the flavor. Now for the rice. In to the pan. Now put some ready-made seasoning. For this, we use aji ginisa mix. Next, some MSG. For this, we use Ajinomoto umami seasoning. We're Asians. We really love artificial flavorings, so we put some more. Now, put some slice of hot dogs. We're Asians, we put hot dog in every food. Mix it very well. Now, put the lid on and let it cook. After 30 minutes, put some tomato sauce. Make sure to mix it thoroughly. Now, another batch of coconut milk. Mix it well to help the individual grains absorb the coconut milk. Now, cover it with banana leaf. The banana leaf will give a natural aroma to your Valenciana. Now, our Valenciana is almost done and we'll let it sit and simmer. Now it's done, it can feed a lot of people in the Philippines. In Mamatid. In our house.